The Tilta Xlr handle. Do you need it to protect your XLR handle? Let's find out together, shall we? Hello, my name is Jutin Al Ahmed, and today we're going to be unboxing the XLR titanium Tilta cage. So I've got this package. Let's already begin the unboxing. Sadly, there's going to be no knife usage today. No knife because there's already a strap here. Anyways, lol. Let's take this out. This is... There's nothing else in here. This is the Tilta Xlr extension bracket, the cage for the XLR handle. This is basically to help protect the handle, and you can add so many accessories to it. I'm going to be happily using the knife now. Let me just cut this open and then we'll have a look at the actual item. Let's see, I think that should be enough. Let's put the knife away. Right. So much. That's very nice. So let me show you the outer package of this. So it's for Sony FX3s. It's for the XLR extension bracket. It's lightweight and portable, steady and secure, easy installation. And then there's some details there if you guys want to take a screenshot, if you want to know exactly what the serial and stuff is. Okay, right, so let's actually open the package. It's very nice and smooth. There's not anything too technical here. Ooh. There's an Allen key and there's 2 screws, as you can see there. And I feel like this is an extra unboxing. It's titanium. Look, this is very, very nice. The branding there. I like the way this is. Look at the color. Nice. It shows you exactly what you can put, what threads that you need. And yeah, this directly fits onto the back of the XLR handle. Yeah, there's another hot shoe there as well. This is perfect. So I'm going to be using this obviously on my FX3 that I filmed with. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you pop a thumbs up. Like my video if you like it. Only if you like it. Dislike it if you don't like it. I shouldn't be saying that, should I? Anyways, do subscribe if you're new to my channel. And lastly, let's not forget everybody, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. Take care all. See you all next time. Bye bye.